Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5, and let me show you how to insert here the microSD and micro SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off, and wait until your smartphone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to open the back cover. Let's do it by using the cavity at the down left edge right here of the phone. Let's use your nail finger to open the back cover. Let's do it step by step. From the bottom of your device to the top, and here you've got your slots, but at first you need to remove the battery. So let's do it by using the cavity at the down edge of the item, and here you need to insert the microSD. Let's start with that one. This is my microSD card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and press it to the end. Alright, microSD is inserted. Now let's insert the SIM card. This is the micro SIM with the characteristic edge right here. Let's insert this card in the first slot right here. And let's also press it to the end. You can also insert the second SIM card, also the micro SIM, but let me leave it empty. Alright, let's now put back the battery. Let me close the back cover protection. And now you can press power key to switch on the device. So keep holding power button. The KRUGER MATZ is turning on. Now let's unlock the screen. As you can see, the device shows you the information about the SD card. Let me tap yes, so it means that your SD card, that your SIM card, is working properly. Now let's tap settings. Here you can also choose SIM cards, and as you can see, the device is reading one SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back. You can also scroll down and choose storage right here and read the information about your portable storage, so about your microSD. So basically everything went well, both cards works properly on your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.